Hello, welcome to the first ever Drupal tutorial. I'm Joshua Fernandez. First, to do a Drupal installation on your local, visit drupal.org and download the latest Drupal version. The latest Drupal 8 version is 8.4.4. Extract the same in your local. If you're using WAMP, it will be www, and if you're using XAMPP, it will be your HTTP folder. After that, create a local database for the Drupal installation and then visit your local host path. Drupal 8 provides different built-in multilingual function, so you can select your respective language. Standard installation. Enter the database name created, username, and password of your MySQL database. The installation will take time depending on your system configuration. The requirements of the server can be checked at on drupal.org site. If you go to documentations, Drupal 8 documentation, system requirements, PHP requirements, database requirements. Installation will take some time. Currently, Drupal is installing the built-in modules, which will be listed under core modules. If you check the folder structure, you'll see the modules under core. So it is currently installing these modules. Any contributed modules, custom modules will have to be placed under main folder modules. Themes for themes. List of modules can be seen from modules. Latest themes are available under themes. You have to set your compatibility of modules, search. These are the most installed modules in Drupal 8. Themes. Bootstrap is the most commonly used theme. We usually use Bootstrap as the base theme and then create a child theme as required. Based on each system, the installation may take some time. As you see, it is installing the various modules provided in the core. As the installation is in progress, we'll search for a theme to be installed on a Drupal setup. Most commonly used is a Bootstrap theme. As you see, the green marks suggests that it's a stable release for Drupal and it is covered by security advisor policy. So it is recommended to use this module. Installation is almost complete. Drupal 8 has built-in modules, core module that is views and views UI. Installation has been completed. The next step would be to fill in some site details on the configure site page. Site name will be the name of the site. Site email. This is the email which will be sent on to the people who are registering on the site, contact us forms, or any notifications from the site. This will be site main account, that is known as the super account or the administrative account. As this is just a test project, I'm setting the password to weak, but on the production side, this should be set to strong password. The default regional languages, country, time zone, and then save and continue. Our Drupal installation is completed. As you see, this is the admin panel. This is the content where you can add content to the site. By default, Drupal provides the following content types: article and basic page. If you click on extend, it is where you can see the list of modules installed on your site. So on this page, you'll see all the core modules installed by Drupal. Also that you see that views and views UI are provided in the core setup of Drupal 8. If you click on appearance, you can see the themes provided by Drupal core. That is Bartek 7 themes. So if you go back to the home page, this is the Drupal Bartik theme which is given by Drupal core. So as I said, we'll be installing Drupal Bootstrap theme. So there are two options to install the theme. So you have to click on appearance, install new theme. You can install it from a URL or download the file and upload it using the second option. So we'll copy the link. While copying, you have to copy the tar.gz link and paste it in the install from a URL and click install. This will download the module for you from the following URL and place it in themes folder. Sometimes you might have issue on your local setup as it does not have SSL. On my system, I had configured the setup so I can download it directly. So most of you all will have to use the second option, that is download the file and upload it using the second option. Click on install newly added theme. Now if you go to your folders in themes, you'll see that Bootstrap is downloaded and placed. You'll see that it is uninstalled theme. So you click on install and set as default. If you go to your home page, you'll see the layout of Bootstrap 3 for Drupal 8. As you see, the layout has been changed using the new Bootstrap theme, which is more responsive. If you go to appearance and you click on settings, you'll get the various options settings that the theme provides. From buttons, containers, breadcrumb design, CDN. So JavaScript can be loaded from your local or from the CDN, that is jQuery. So this was the basic Drupal 8 installation and theme installation. Thank you.